Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our accent training. For today's lesson, I want to give you a quick tip on how to pronounce the light L sound. The tip of your tongue touches the back of your front teeth, la 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 la, and then release it quickly. For example, la li li lulu. Sample words and sentences. Repeat after me. Let's. You can see there's no tension at all. You're just releasing the sound through your lips. Let's go. Let's go to the party. Laugh. Can you please stop laughing? Can you please stop laughing? Listen to the radio. I love listening to music. Another one, you can find the light L sound at the beginning or at the end of the syllables. For example, recently. I had a Halloween party with my students recently. Badly. He misses her badly. He can't stop thinking of her. He misses her badly. He can't stop thinking of her. And the last one example is family. I love my family. Alright guys, I created a list for you to practice and I look forward to seeing your tasks. I'll see you around. Bye for now.